Do you have a loud car and it doesn't pop and bang or even burble at that, but you want it to without having to get it tuned for your OBD2 port? I'll show you how. Now, I am running the D17 non-VTEC on my 2002 Honda Civic if you haven't seen already, but there are ways around it. I don't want to get a Honda. I don't want to get that. I don't want to have to tune it. But it all relies on this pedal right here, the gas. See, when you rev it and let go of the gas completely, it won't do anything. Now, it won't sound perfect on camera, but I can promise you, if you are revving and while the revs are on the way down, you tap the gas a little bit, it will pop and crackle. Check this out.